Hi guys, welcome to another live trading session with Optionables. I am Saket and today we are going to review trades taken on 26th and 27th of April, which is Monday and Tuesday. So for those who are joining us new, we will usually be taking 3 trades every day and we'll be posting the same on YouTube. So this entire thing will be played at a speed of almost 50x. So a 3-hour recording will in turn turn out to be somewhere around 5 to 6 minutes. And those who haven't subscribed to our channel, you can please hit the subscribe button so you get the regular updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to that. And you can watch the video later as well. Just hit the like button and it will be there in your liked videos. You can go and watch the video later. So one more thing for those who are joining us new, and if you are not following what is going on in the background. So I will be explaining that, but on your screen there is something called as M2M. So if you look at the M2M, that will be showing you the total profit or loss for the particular day. So M2M is basically showing you the profit and loss as well. So now, as usual, we went 3 trades, that is one at 12:30, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Before we used to go at 10 o'clock, but since the markets have become little volatile now, so we have stopped taking trades at 10 o'clock and we directly go at 12:30, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. So we have shifted our 10 o'clock trade towards 12:30. So previous 2 days have been really good. So it was a smooth day, not a pretty rough day, because the market was more or less range bound and slightly trending. So on Monday, towards the end, we saw some sort of profit booking, and on Tuesday, that is today, we saw that the market headed upwards after the afternoon session. So both were more or less range bound, and it was more of a one-sided move rather than a V-shaped move, which means obviously we should be going into profits, and that is what exactly happened. So we usually, as you all know, that we will always be doing short straddles at 12:30, whatever is at the money calls and puts. So we'll be shorting that and keeping a stop loss. At 1 o'clock, whatever is at the money calls and puts. So we'll be shorting that and keeping the stop loss. And same goes with 2 o'clock as well. So everything comes with a stop loss. And in the worst case, we don't like to lose more than 3% of our capital in a particular trade. So we'll make sure that we'll be cutting off at that point. So I will be quickly briefing you about what exactly happened during the day, how the market moved and how we ended in profits. And then we will be moving on to discussing little about markets and what we can expect from the markets. So on Monday, as we already discussed, the market did go up and it consolidated. BankNifty especially shot up around 800 points because of good results from ICICI Bank. Then it consolidated in the afternoon and slightly came down. So we had done a short straddle and we ended up with around 1.2 lakh profit. So that was quite good on Monday. So we booked quite early. And then on Tuesday, we took another trade at again 12:30, 1 and 2, and again that is the market actually was trading around the range of 32,600. Consolidated 12:30 also we took 32,600. 1 o'clock also we took 32,600. 2 o'clock also it was very close to 32,600 itself, and then in the later session we saw it shoot up around 150 points, and today also we managed to end with a profit of somewhere close to 90,000. So overall in 2 days we made a profit of 2.1 lakh. So tomorrow is Wednesday, and Wednesday usually has been profitable for us. So hopefully that the same trend continues. And yeah, coming to the markets, many people are asking why is the market shooting up when everything is going down, that the COVID cases are increasing, economy is getting hurt, and everything around is not that great, and why is the market still going up? Because market usually discounts the future, and it is basically there's a famous saying that bull market climbs the wall of worries, and that is what exactly we are seeing right now. We are witnessing Nifty slowly come up and slowly recover during the course of time. And we will also be sharing and discussing quite a lot in the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, and the links to the same is given below. You can go and subscribe there as well, and you can follow our channel for more such videos which will be posting. So And again, a couple of days earlier also we had mentioned that it is a very good time to start investing in case if you haven't started. And we have already seen some stocks actually shoot up by now. So in the background you're still seeing the trade going on, that is today's trade going on. So it is going to be around 6 to 7 minutes video where we'll be covering yesterday's as well as today's trade. So as there is nothing much, no adjustments done, no manual interference, we just took a system trade, that is we did a short straddle, kept a stop loss, and basically closed the trade for the day. And there was absolutely no interference in between. As a result, there's nothing much to explain with the trades we have taken today. So on Thursday we generally do some discretionary trading, and on Wednesday has generally been profitable for us, so we will have to see how it goes tomorrow. And yeah, we did invest some during the market crash. So we bought some Nifty Bs, we bought some Bank Bs, we bought some HDFC Bank shares. And then one more thing is Bajaj Finance has come out with the results today. It is pretty good. Maruti was slightly below estimates. Axis Bank has also beaten the estimates. So finance sector as such might be in focus again, and we might see BankNifty shoot up little more. The entire financial sector shoot little more. We had seen some strong correction, so we will see how it goes from here. So thank you for joining in, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.